So welcome to my tech channel. So today we are going to see what is inside this bulb, LED bulb. So you can see, okay, you can see here, I think this is a LED. So let's see what we have here. So we are going to see inside what we have inside. So you can see there is a lock on it, so we have to remove it first. So it's good in condition. Okay, so let's see, it's taking time. So okay, we have to push it up. Okay, let's see on the, okay, I think, okay, now done. So we can see what we, oh, still locked. So how to remove it? Let's crush it from, okay, you can see, okay, you can see this wire connected to the LED. So you can see this, what do we have here? You can see lots of capacitor, I think. Okay, you can see this, what do we have here down? This is some type of glue. Okay, so it's the main thing here. So you can see this circuit board. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like